It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2019 Cadillac XT5. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the XT5. The driver's door has got power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, the child lock button, the power liftgate button, and you'll notice it comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power moonroof up above. Telescopic steering on the steering wheel and the park brake. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and lane departure alert. We also have the heated steering wheel button. To the right, we have the audio buttons. This is our digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using those arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Here we have our Cadillac infotainment center. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it doubles as our backup camera. This screen here is also equipped with navigation. To the left, we have the engine push start button, dual climate control with air conditioning, heated front seats, and we've got our driving modes, traction control, all-wheel drive, and various drive modes. At the front of the XT5, we've got fog lights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, side mirrors have side blind zone alert, rear tinted windows, the door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the power lift gate. We're going to use the key fob here, push that button twice to pop it open. In the trunk, we've got lots of storage space. We've got the lever to fold that second row seating down, some cargo hooks, and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, we've got power windows and a smaller storage compartment. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has our rear fans and some no-slip matting. This middle seat here folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2019 Cadillac XT5 today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.